Wow, every time I sneeze, a new lollipop appears. But this one is green. Let me try again. Oh wow, now it's an orange lollipop. Nope, not this one either. Let me try again. Now it's a yellow lollipop. OMG, so many lollipops. I'm gonna try them all one by one. First, this green one. Yeah, this one tastes pretty good. Now let's try the orange one. Okay, this one's good too. Now the yellow one. Wow, this one is so delicious. I seriously feel like eating it forever. But wait, I have to try the sky blue lollipop too. Wow, wow, wow. This one is super tasty too.